My name is Kayla Marciel, and I'm the shop owner of Kayla's Kingdom on Etsy.
My shop got its start when I discovered my love for polymer clay. In college, I studied the arts with my emphasis being in sculpture, but when I moved from California to Florida, my studio space became much smaller, so my work had to shrink down in size as well. I started making realistic food charms, which I would turn into jewelry and wear myself. I would get so many compliments and people asking where my jewelry was from that I decided to open my shop and direct people there when they wanted food charm jewelry of their own. Now I've started to make clay brooches as well, usually themed to cute characters or things that make me nostalgic. I also recently started selling prints, both made digitally or with linoleum cut blocks hand carved by yours truly. You'll also see that I now offer just a bit of magic in my shop, all made with materials I collected during my recent trip to California. Once you place your order, it will be safely packaged and on its way in 1 to 2 business days. Items can be limited, and I may only make more of the most popular items, so if you see something you like, order it soon. If you have a request for a custom order, feel free to message me and we can discuss the idea further.
So thanks for stopping by, and if you like what you see, remember to favorite my shop and check me out on my other corners of the internet. Bye!